Here we are at FabSpeed Motorsport with a 1997 Diablo Roadster. This is the 5.7 liter V12, and we've just completed our 2 3/4 inch X-Pipe replacement muffler. This piece includes 2 resonators and an X in the center, and this does delete this factory secondary cats, and you can see we have it complete with the proper bracketry to hold it in place. And this can be linked with either the factory tips, as in this application, or our dual center outlet tips.